Wait, is this? Oh no, this story is. Yeah, maybe this one.
Oh, this is
A
another.
happy one.
Well, actually, this one might surprise you.
Okay.
In fact, because it's not what you expect. It's called "Family is Precious," and it's one of these clips that starts out one way and ends another.
Oh.
So go
I
ahead.
like these clips.
Oh, good. Okay, so
They start off.
it's unfortunate that Mo had to get up, but go ahead and play it and see what you think. Okay.
Is there sound?
So the hands open. You don't need sound.
Okay.
So they did a nice little video clip of father hand on top of mother's hands on top of baby hand, but somehow the baby instinctually raises the middle finger. Look at this. As soon as the hands are released.
That was great timing.
Which is, it's hard to imagine that it just happened that way, but it did.
Yeah.
One take. I don't know if it's one take or not, but it's a fun little clip.
That's quite precious.
Well, it's precious. Family is precious.